of Cleveland, Ohio, Michael Pear grew up listening to music in his household. His mother sang in the church choir, and his father was a jazz enthusiast and an avid record collector. One day on a bus ride to school, Michael heard the Sugar Hill Gang for the first time. Later, he viewed the Herbie Hancock Rocket video, featuring a DJ scratching on a turntable. He was so inspired and captivated that he wanted to emulate what he saw. After high school, Michael joined the military and purchased his own DJ equipment, and thus DJ Yo was born. He spent countless hours learning and perfecting his craft. His skill level increased to the point where he started to DJ professionally. After stepping away for many years, DJ Yo returned to a new world of digital DJing. He applied his skills learned as an analog DJ to the new digital controllers and software. Later, he created a YouTube video series for beginners entitled Learn to DJ. DJing eventually piqued his interest into the creative aspect of music, and over time he learned music composition and audio production.